Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Lally and I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a celebrity impersonator, and I am coming to you today with this Ava Max makeup and wig tutorial. Two in one. This look is surprisingly easy to do and the wig is super easy to do as well, but if you don't want to make it yourself, I will list it on my Etsy and you can just click the link below. All of the products that I have used will also be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check there and leave me a comment or any feedback, or let me know what you want to see next as well. So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what I come up with next. But without rambling on, let's get into it. So I'm going to start with this e.l.f. mattifying putty primer. I'm just going to pop that all over my face. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Dream Radiance liquid, and this is the colour 23 True Beige. And I'm just going to use my Maybelline Dream Lumi pen to highlight underneath my eyes and a little bit on my chin and forehead and the bridge of my nose as well. I decided to switch to a beauty blender. Well, this is the Real Techniques beauty blender because I didn't like the Spectrum foundation brush effect. It was a bit scratchy. Now I'm going to apply a thick layer of Rimmel's translucent stay matte powder using a dense powder brush. This one's from MAC, but any dense powder brush will do. Then apply a very thin layer of L'Oreal's Life's a Peach on the high points of your face. And now use the lightest colour in La Vie en Glow and go over that blusher. And now go back in with your powder and a dense eyeshadow brush and create a base for your eyeshadow. And now use any white frosted shadow to go all over your lid. This one is called Light Up from the Stupid Love palette. And now I'm going to deepen my crease with Back to Bronze by L'Oreal. And I'm going to use a small fluffy brush to do that. I'm just going to drag some of that underneath my lower lash line as well, and then I'm just going to use the same colour to contour my face very lightly, apart from on the forehead where I've got a much wider forehead than most people, so just making that look a bit smaller. Now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out and then fill them in with MAC's Lip Pencil in Stone. This is my favourite pencil to use as an eyebrow pencil. I just love the neutral colour of it. And then I'm going to brush it through to diffuse it. And now I'm going to follow my lower lash line towards my temple to create my wing using the House Labs eyeliner in Punk, and then I'm going to go very tight to my lash line and gradually thicken the line until I reach the end of that wing. Now I'm going to take that same lip pencil in Stone and I'm just going to line underneath my lash line and create a little shadow lash by flicking outwards as I get to the end of my eye. Then I'm going to use Rimmel's eyeliner in a nude colour to line my waterline. And now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply Maybelline's Sky High. And now I'm going to slightly overline the top of my lips and then keep to my lip line as I get to the outer corners with the colour Supermodel by House Labs in the RIP lip liner. And I'm going to do pretty much the same thing on my lower lip, and I'm going to square it off at the edges a tiny bit. Now I'm going to use MAC's Ruby Woo to fill in my lips. Just stick your finger in your mouth so that you don't get any lipstick on your teeth. And now I'm just going to apply my Kiss Wispies lashes with some lash duo. Just look down into a mirror and pop them on with some tweezers, then pull from side to side to make sure that they are fixed all the way across the band. And now I'm going to spritz my face with some L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. And now time for the wig. So first you want to take this long wig, which I'll link down below, and then you want to section it off and straighten it. I'm using these Remington hair straighteners, which are temperature controlled, which means I can put it on a really low temperature for synthetic wigs. And now you just want to take your tail comb and section half of the wig off, so the short side is the right side of her hair. Just clip the left side away. And now section off thin slices of the right side. You should cut around 3 inches below the base of the block. The bob side should be around 14 inches from parting to the ends. And now you want to use your comb to keep the hair stable and use the blade of your scissors to create a straight line and just cut straight across. It's that easy. I'm trying to hold my hands backwards to show you what I'm doing, but really you should be cutting in a manner that suits your hands. I am right-handed, so I should be holding my scissors so that they go towards the back of the wig on this side, but if you're left-handed then you can cut in the manner that I'm cutting there. So keep taking down thin sections and use the previous section as your marker to cut along. You want to make sure that the cut line is as straight as possible by using the blade of your scissors and holding them horizontally and letting them do the work. Now just soften that line a little bit by taking chunks of hair at a 45-degree angle and then chopping up into it, which is called point cutting. Just repeat this until you have no more hair left to cut. And you are done! Here is the final wig, so I am just going to pop that on my head. This wig will be available on my Etsy store and the link will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned how to get this Ava Max inspired look. Don't forget to leave me any comments, any feedback down below, and I'll put all of the products that I used in the description box. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see what I come up with next. And thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Mwah!